Chapter 2, Partnership Final Accounts. In previous videos, I explained you trading account and its specimen, profit and loss account and profit and loss appropriation account and its specimen. Now, one important topic of this chapter is that there are two methods of maintaining capital accounts. Okay, partners can maintain their capital accounts by two methods. One method is fixed capital accounts method. Second is fluctuating capital account method. In fixed capital account, the opening capital, that is on the very first day of the year, and the closing capital, that means the capital on the last day of the year, is same. That's why we call it fixed capital accounts method. Okay, so opening balance of capital or closing balance of capital, both will be same in fixed capital accounts method. So for giving other effects, partners have to maintain current account. Okay, capital account mein there will be no change, no other effects will be given, like interest on capital, interest on drawings, or whatever transactions are taking place for पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट. जैसे पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट में जो भी इफेक्ट्स डालने हैं वो फिक्स्ड कैपिटल अकाउंट मेथड में हम कैपिटल अकाउंट में नहीं डाल सकते. सो वी हैव टू मेंटेन करंट अकाउंट. क्लियर? सो वेन एवर इन द क्वेश्चन इफ करंट अकाउंट इज गिवन, तो आप समझ जाना ये कौन सा मेथड है, फिक्स्ड कैपिटल अकाउंट मेथड. ओके, सो इन दैट सम, after PL appropriation account, you have to prepare partners capital account and partners current account. Okay, and fluctuating capital account method means opening balance of capital and closing balance of capital both are different. साल की शुरुआत की कैपिटल और एंड की कैपिटल डिफरेंट होगी. दैट मीन्स फ्लक्चुएटिंग कैपिटल अकाउंट मेथड. इस मेथड में हम सारे इफेक्ट्स कैपिटल अकाउंट में डालते हैं. सो नो नीड टू प्रिपेयर करंट अकाउंट, वी विल प्रिपेयर ओनली पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट. क्लियर? नाउ हाउ विल यू रिकॉग्नाइज इन द सम? इफ इन द क्वेश्चन डिटेल्स ऑफ करंट अकाउंट्स इज गिवन, मीन्स इट्स अ फिक्स्ड कैपिटल अकाउंट एंड आफ्टर PL APRO you have to prepare capital and current account. If no information about current account is given, तो आप समझ जाना ये fluctuating capital account method है. And then you have to prepare only partners capital account. So now open your textbook, page number 38. ट्रेडिंग PL and PL APRO के बाद अभी जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, you have to prepare partners capital account. So learn this specimen from page number 38 and from page number 39, partners current account, you have to learn this specimen. Okay, trading PL APRO. Then just now I explained you what you have to prepare, partners capital account and current account. Okay, ये specimens learn नहीं करने हैं, just go through it. When we'll start the sums, it will be very easy for you. Okay, now we are moving to balance sheet. Okay, let's see the specimen, it's very important. Page number 40. Now what is the meaning of balance sheet? Balance sheet is not an account, it's a statement. Is it clear? That's why we don't put debit and credit here, because it's not account, it's statement. And in trading PL APRO, you give the information for the whole year, but in balance sheet you give the information of the last day of the year. Yani as on last day of business, what is the financial position of the business, that is shown in balance sheet. तो जब आप स्पेसिमेन ध्यान से देखोगे तो ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट फॉर द ईयर एंडिंग, PL अकाउंट फॉर द ईयर एंडिंग, बट बैलेंस शीट एज, इट्स नॉट एट ऑन होगा, एज ऑन, यानी ये लास्ट डे का फाइनेंशियल पोजीशन आपको बताएगी. क्लियर? 31 मार्च को बिजनेस की फाइनेंशियल हालत क्या है वो आपको पता चलेगी फ्रॉम बैलेंस शीट. Okay, this side is known as capital and liabilities and this is known as asset. As it is, you have to learn the specimen. Okay, So again, read, learn, write again and again, but you have to learn the format of balance sheet. It's very important. Okay. See, here we will write the balances of capital account and current account. Then reserves, like general reserve, capital reserve, whatever, reserves, savings of business. Non-current liabilities and current liabilities. Now you have to learn जिस ऑर्डर में, जिस हेडिंग्स के अंडर जो जो दिया हुआ है, एज इट इज यू हैव टू लर्न. तभी बोल रही हूँ, लिख लिख के लर्न करो प्रॉपरली. नॉन करंट लायबिलिटीज मीन्स whose duration is more than 1 year, means in long term you have to pay it back, and current liabilities means whose limit is within 1 year. So loans, all the loans, whether from bank or institutions or from friends, loans are non-current liabilities. And other current liabilities, that means you have to pay it back in future, like bank overdraft, creditors, bills payable, any expense which is outstanding, any income which you have received in advance, taxation provision, provident fund, because when your employee will be retired, you have to give him provident fund, so it's your liability for future. Interest outstanding on partners loan, whatever you have to pay back, whatever is payable, that is your liability. Now just classify करके learn कर लेना which is non-current and which is current. Reserves, accounts, capital and current, that as it is you have to learn. This is our capital side. Then let's focus on asset side. First you show the non-current assets. Non-current assets means fixed assets. Fixed assets means which is for long-term use, like land, building, leasehold properties, vehicles, machines, furniture. है ना, ये आप एक बार लेते हो तो लॉन्ग टर्म में यूज करते हो. सो दीज आर फिक्स्ड एसेट्स. टेंजिबल मीन्स विच यू कैन सी, एंड इनटेंजिबल मीन्स विच यू कांट सी, लाइक पेटेंट, ट्रेडमार्क, कॉपीराइट, गुडविल. ये सारी एसेट्स आप देख नहीं सकते हो, बट ऑल दीज टेंजिबल, इनटेंजिबल एसेट्स आर फिक्स्ड एसेट्स, जिसको हम नॉन करंट एसेट्स भी कहते हैं. इन्वेस्टमेंट्स, ओके, एंड अदर नॉन करंट एसेट्स. एंड लास्टली करंट एसेट्स. करंट एसेट्स मीन्स जो क्विकली कैश में कन्वर्ट होती जाती हैं, जैसे क्लोजिंग स्टॉक, डेटर्स, कैश बैलेंस, बैंक बैलेंस, एनी इनकम विच इज़ ड्यू, अगर आपने किसी को लोन दिया है, बिल्स रिसीवेबल और प्रीपेड एक्सपेंसेस. क्लियर? सो जो सिंपल थिंग ऑन पेज नंबर 40, द फॉर्मेट इज गिवन. समझते जाओ और लर्न करते जाओ. इट्स अप टू यू. इफ करंट अकाउंट इज हैविंग करंट क्रेडिट बैलेंस इन योर क्वेश्चन, show it on capital side. If current account is having debit balance, show it on asset side. See, credit balance of current account, liability side. Debit balance of current account, asset side. Just learn the format. And most important thing, when you will do the total of balance sheet, both the sides will be same, because this is double entry system, right? Every transaction has double effect. So at last, balance of liabilities and assets, total of assets and liabilities will be same tallied. Okay, so learn this properly. और sequence याद पड़ा? Trading, profit and loss account, profit and loss appropriation account, capital और current account, and balance sheet. इतना lengthy आपका ये समझाएगा. That's why I am forcing you कि लर्न द स्पेसिमेन एटलीस्ट. समझ के स्पेसिमेन तो लर्न करो. इट विल बी हेल्पफुल टू यू. देन ओनली वी कैन प्रोसीड फॉर द लॉन्ग सम्स.